Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to cook a quick, simple, and delicious meal, and something you don't have to do a lot of prep work. Sometimes you don't feel like seasoning chicken, meat, or anything like that, but you can buy some good alternatives in the store, and this is what we got for tonight. Alright, here's what we got. We got a pre-packaged chicken breast, already seasoned with chili lime seasoning, and we bought this from Costco, and the only thing I had to do was get some green, red and orange bell peppers and an onion and cube them up. And then what I did with the peppers first is I put some olive oil on them. I sprinkled them with some salt, pepper, garlic, and some of our own chili lime season blend. And then I laid the chicken breast on top of the peppers, and we are going to get them on the smoker. And I'm going to get the smoker up to 225, and we're just going to let this ride until the chicken's done. All right, let's get this on the smoker. Alright, now we're going to get the heat up to 225. And I'm going to put a thermometer in the chicken so we can monitor the temp. Alright, our chicken is sitting at 48 degrees and falling. Alright, let's get this lid closed up so this stuff can get cooking. I'll bring you back in about an hour. Alright everybody, it's been 1 hour and this chicken is sitting at 102 degrees, and as you can see we're losing daylight, so I had to bring out the light. Alright, after 1 hour, let's see what this chicken is looking like. Well, it's looking pretty good. The vegetables are coming along, but we have a long way to go. I'm going to try to get this chicken, well, not try to get this chicken, we are going to get this chicken to at least 175 degrees, 180. Alright, I'll bring it back when we're getting close. Alright everybody, as you can see, it is nighttime. And at the 2 hour mark, I cranked the heat up to 250 degrees. And at the 2.5 hour mark, the vegetables were cooking obviously a lot quicker than the chicken, so I removed the vegetables for now. I will put them back on later, and I have since cranked the heat up to 375 degrees so we can get this chicken done. As you can see, the chicken is sitting at now 158. Let's take a look at it real quick. And there's the chicken. Alright, we still got a little ways to go. Like I said, we're trying to hit around 175, 180. And when we're getting close to that temperature, I will put the vegetables back on, and I'll bring it back then. Alright everybody, we're back. Let's get this opened up. This chicken is temping at least 175 or over. Some places the upper 180s. I put the vegetables back on to let them heat up. We're going to get this chicken off, and I'm going to make a plate, and I'm going to come back and do a brief taste test. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, first off, cheers everybody. And let's give this chicken a taste test. We'll get a little bit of chicken, a little bit of peppers, and a little bit of onion on here. We're going to see how it tastes. Okay, there you go. That's pretty good. I'm gonna try one more. A little bit of green pepper. Yeah, I think it was pretty good. For a store-bought, marinated piece of chicken, I think it did pretty good. I think it tastes really good. Sometimes you don't want to go all out and do all the marinating, all the seasoning, and all that stuff. Sometimes you just want a quick meal. This meal took me probably about 3 hours to cook, and I didn't have to do any of the marinating or putting any seasoning on. All I had to do was put it on the smoker, add some vegetables, and away we went. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I appreciate everybody watching. Believe it or not, there was a time when I only made hot dogs, macaroni and cheese. I could cook anything frozen in the oven like pizza, but I would never cook any big time meals for myself. I mean, I would occasionally grill hamburgers, grill steak, and this and that, but not to this level. If you're one of those people, you could do the same thing that I've done. You can cook delicious meals for yourself. And as I always say, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food, and I am proof positive that you can do it too. Alright everybody, take care, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.